Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of iOS gaming with a specific focus on Delta Executor and its role in gaming. However, as of 2025, Delta Executor has faced several limitations that gamers need to consider, impacting their gaming experience. To find the best alternatives, we evaluated options based on usability, compatibility, features, and community support. First up, we have Kato, known for its unique features and seamless integration, making it a top contender for gamers. Next is Happy Chick, which boasts an extensive game library and is incredibly user-friendly, appealing to gamers of all levels. Then we have Provenance. It stands out with its multi-platform support and user-friendly interface. Ins comes next, offering excellent performance and customization options for dedicated gamers. Last but not least is RetriX, with its modern design and robust functionalities making it a strong competitor. Here's a quick comparison chart summarizing the key features of each alternative, making decision-making easier. In conclusion, choosing the right emulator depends on your gaming needs. Explore these options to enhance your gaming experience.